Welcome 8th graders to another Algebra 1 video. This is Ms. Rivera, and during this lesson we will learn to solve one-step inequalities. This is lesson 6.1 in your textbook. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that contains symbols to compare values of two numbers or expressions. Our objectives during this lesson are to identify the solution of an inequality, to solve linear inequalities by using addition and subtraction, and to solve linear inequalities by using multiplication and division. Our I can statement is I can solve inequalities by using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here are some vocabulary words that we are going to own during the lesson. First of all, an inequality is a comparison between two values, numbers or expressions that are not equal. Inequalities contain the symbols greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and it would also include the symbol not equal. If we look at the first example, the inequality x greater than 5. So in the group of x greater than 5, the end point, which is here in the number line, is shown with a circle at 5. So 5 is not included in the solution. The arrow points to the values to the right of 5. So all the values that are greater than 5. If we look at the example, well, the next one shows how x is less than -1. Just like before, the endpoint is represented by a circle, an empty circle. So that means that we are not including -1, but we are including all the values to the left of -1. So those that are smaller than this number. And then we skip all the way down to the next one. And here we have that in the graph of x, or where x is less than or equal to 5, the dot, in this example, the circle has been shaded. So the dot at 5 shows that 5 is part of the solution. And then the arrow pointing the left shows the solution includes all numbers less than 4. Our next vocabulary word is set builder notation. When solving inequalities, you can write the solution set in a more concise way using set builder notation. This is a mathematical notation that describes a set by stating the properties that its members must satisfy. The brackets mean the set of, then this variable represents all numbers. The vertical straight line can be read as such as or belongs to. And then x is greater than 0 is the inequality which we are working with. So these can all be read as x, such as or belongs to the inequality x is greater than 0.